Preventing spam comments is crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of any WordPress website. These unwelcome intrusions compromise your site's credibility, security, and reputation. Hi, I am Khaled. Today I am going to show you how to prevent, disable, or delete unwanted comments in your WordPress post, pages, and website. If your WordPress website is crowded with lots of spam comments already and you want to delete all of the pending comments within a single click, you can use Delete Pending Comments plugin. In this tutorial, I am showing you how to remove pending comments as well as 5 easy ways to disable WordPress website comments. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials, and offers, you can visit the link below this video. Right now I am showing you how to delete spam comments using a free plugin named Delete Pending Comments plugin. In this video I will also cover how to delete pending comments from database. To install the plugin, you need to log in to the admin area of your WordPress website. I already have logged into the WordPress admin area of my website. Now locate plugins. Click on Plugins and then click on Add New Plugins. Write Delete Pending Comments in the search box next to Search Plugins option. Delete Pending Comments plugins appears here. Click on Install Now. Installing the plugin. Installed. Now locate plugins. Click on Inactive. Locate this plugin and click on Activate. Fine, the plugin is activated. Now, if you want to delete all pending comments, locate Comments in the menu. Click on Delete Pending Comments. Here it shows you have 6017 pending comments in your site. Do you want to delete all of them? So, if you are sure to delete, you have to type the instructed text into this text field. And need to click on Delete Pending Comments. A confirmation message appears mentioning that all pending and spam comments are deleted successfully from your site. Now I am going to show you 5 easy ways on how to disable or prevent WordPress comments. If you want to disable comments on your existing posts, what you have to do is locate posts, Click on all posts. Click here to select all posts. Click on the drop down list and select edit. Click on apply. It provides you bulk edit option for all the posts together available on this page. Now select don't allow in the list next to comments. And click on update. So it will disallow any new comments on your existing posts. Now let's consider what will happen if you create a new post and want to prevent comments on it. To disallow comments on new posts, locate settings and then click on discussion. Some settings is available here that works on new posts. Under default post settings, uncheck allow people to submit comments on new posts. Keep in mind that individual post settings may override these settings afterward. Therefore, we have done the settings to disallow comments on new posts. Now I am showing you how to prevent comments on pages. To prevent comments on pages, go to Pages, click on All Pages. Click this checkbox to select all pages shown in this list together. Click on drop down, select Edit and click on Apply. Over here, I have got the option to bulk edit all the pages together. I am selecting Don't Allow option for comments and then click on Update to save the changes. It will disallow any new comments on existing pages for your website. Even after that, if you create any new page, you can specifically select this new page and disallow comments on it. To disallow comments on new page, locate the page, click on Quick Edit. And uncheck Allow Comments. Then click on Update to save the changes. So we already have done the settings to prevent or disable comments on a new page in our website. By using plugin, you can also prevent unwanted comments on post, pages, media, etc. Right now, I am showing you how to disable or prevent comments using Disable Comments plugin. To install the plugin, locate Plugins and then click on Add New Plugin. Write here Disable Comments in the search box. Disable comments plugin appears here. Click on Install now. Click on Activate to make the plugin functional. Now go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. Disable Comments plugin appears here. You can reach the plugin using Settings also. Click on Settings. Disable Comments plugin appears here. Click on these settings for disable comments. Here you can configure the settings to disable comments globally or on specific types of post. You can prefer disable comments everywhere or only on specific post types. We can disable API generated comments made on your website also using this settings interface. Don't forget to click Save Changes to keep the changes you made. So I already have shown you how to disable WordPress comments in a number of ways. Hope you already have come to know all the presented ways to disable or delete WordPress comments. Sometimes it may also be easier for you to delete pending comments from WordPress database. So let's spend some time addressing how to delete pending comments from database. To delete pending comments from database, at first you need to log in to the hosting cPanel of your website. I already have logged in to the hosting cPanel. Locate database for the website. Click on PHP My Admin. This is the database user for my website. Click here to expand. This is the table for storing comments. So click on the comments table. Click on SQL, write, select count star from WPEB underscore comments, that is table name. Select count star from WPEB underscore comments, where comments underscore approved is equal to 0. Click on Go. Here it shows the number of pending comments. If you are sure to delete these pending comments, open SQL editor to execute deletion. Before going to delete, it is safe to keep a database backup. If you need to know how to take WordPress website database backup, you can check the link below this video. So for deletion, locate SQL editor, write delete from table name where comments underscore approved is equal to 0. Click on Go. It will delete all of the pending comments. Expecting these tips will save you a lot of time and will significantly reduce comment spam from your website. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more question addressing this video guide on how to delete pending comments, you can send your queries in this video comment section. If you need to know how to improve SEO score for website ranking, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.